all of the world is worrying about the Wuhan coronavirus because of its high infectious speed and power. As you know, that the cruel Chinese communists has been infecting the virus throughout the country and even the world by hiding the facts so far. Everyone is also aware of the purpose that the concentration camp set up in East Turkestan, where massacre is underway, is fully and permanently dominate our land through genocide.
They detained over 5 million innocent people in the camps and have massacred hundreds of thousands, even more people by tortures, transferred over 1 million young people to the prisons in the mainland of China. Now Wuhan coronavirus became an excuse for them to complete the scheme.
According to the solid information, while transmitting the Wuhan coronavirus to East Turkestan, where has been turned to an open-air prison as well. This oppressor also brought the virus into the concentration camps. It's only a matter of time that the detainees catch the virus and die collectively due to the weakness caused by tortures, hunger, toxic drugs, and unbelievable bad conditions.
Oh, Muslim! Oh, the people who have not blinded their conscience yet, especially the tender-hearted mothers whom God bestowed compassionate. You love your family, don't you? We too. If any of your family member hurts a finger, your heart feels sorry, doesn't it? Ours too. If your family members die once, you die 1,000 times, right? We too. While your children are growing up with full of your love and compassion, and other members living happy with you, our children and the other family members are suffering through tortures and longing in the concentration camps. And now they are dying with the Wuhan coronavirus. Please try to empathize.
Oh, mothers, please hear our scream for the distress. Extend your hand of compassion and take action to save the life of our parents, spouses, siblings, and children who are dying of the virus in East Turkestan and the concentration camps.
Please do it, so to let the charity you do in this terrible and mortal world come back to you as a reward hereafter. Please do it, so fully enjoy the conscience and happiness of doing good.
Where are you, the United Nations? Where are you, the World Health Organization? Where are the human rights defenders and the freedom lovers?
We call all of you for duty. Please do hear our cry and undertake your responsibility to stop this atrocity. Stop it while the innocent people in the concentration camps survive and reunite with their families. Thus, regain the living rights given by God, Allah.
Help! Help! Help!